Alright, we have another Micro Lite.
We're hitting the road, ready for a ride.
This one has a nice path through.
From city lights to the ocean.
I think a real nice path through too.
With the gonzo
It's high.
book, let destiny unfold. Adventures away, let the stories
Is it me or does that thing look kind of low?
join us on this journey. Every mile a new memory. Get ready for the ride. Let's explore the unknown.
3-step solid. Dual axle. That's the layout right there. So it has 2 slides, a big one and a small one, and the bedroom. So this is a 25 SRK, 25 SRK. Stabilizer. With automatic controls on it. Has the new handrail. Alright, let's go. This is the one we didn't like. Yeah, let me show you. But you might like it, so I'm going to show you. The refrigerator's right there, and then you have your kitchen, which is not bad for a kitchen. You do have some counter space right there, and you know, if you get a smaller table, you can use it as counter space. But let's check out the drawers. All right, drawers are okay. That's his access panel. They should make that go down instead of going up. More storage over here. And then I have this. And then they have the pantry. Pantry is pretty decent. Not bad. Nothing special, but it's nice. Removable shelves if you need it. Not adjustable, but movable. The power to tower right there. They do have a big sink, which is fine. Fuses. Over here you have kind of like mine right here. But you gotta put little rubber buffers right there, so it's not going to slam on you. Milleberg collection. Ooh, they have a. Can you see it back there? It's an outlet. So that's cool. Let me look back there. Looks interesting. They have an outlet, 2 outlets. One, the sofa is, the recliners are attached to. So that's good. This one is just like the other one. And then they have the dinette. Look, this one doesn't have one. Dinette is nice, kind of plainish, but it's not. Oh, they have that table where it goes down by itself, kind of. You just take it off, and it doesn't go down by itself. You just push it, it goes down. You don't have to take any legs off. They have a campfire side window, and it's huge. That's pretty good. I'm starting to like this more and more. A little bit of storage there. A little bit of storage there. What's the control panel look like? control panel when you get into the door, and your solar controller. Flush light, dimmable lights, and 1800 watt inverter. Cool. Now when you go through this one, you have to go to the bathroom first, which is fine. We don't mind that. Because usually it's just me and Shelly. And then they have a nice linen closet right there. And access panel. And access to all your plugs and stuff. Access to all your plugs and stuff to put some cleaning solution. This is good enough right here. You got space to put stuff and you have this thing. Nice. And the medicine cabinet is big. It's made it bigger. And then this bathroom, the shower is very nice. I like it. Max air fan. The lights look different. They're flat. See that? I don't know if I noticed that in the other one. So that's cool. Max air fan. And like I said, the shower looks really nice with glass doors. Porcelain toilet. Cool. It has pocket doors. And this is your slide right here. Ooh, look at that. Plenty of room. And this is hanging stuff. Nice. A lot of room there. It doesn't have that wardrobe there, so you got a lot of space. You have outlet there, outlet over there. I don't see any USB. Oh, right here, USB, USB-C on this side. And you know, you can just buy a plug too. Not a big deal. We got a window on the campfire side. These hold up nice. They're all the same across. Reading lights. And they have a drawer right here. Cool. Yeah, kind of like our bed. Let's see. Yep, just like ours. And two drawers on the bottom. Yeah, easy to lift. Oh, and then you have another door. So two doors. This is where you put your TV at. I don't know if I would put a TV in here. I would just have tablets or whatever. Nice. Cool. That's how it looks from the living room dinette area. This is how it looks in the bathroom. No fireplace in this one. There's nowhere to put it. Like I said, you could put one right here. Let's see if they have an outlet down there. Yeah, they do. Outlet right there. You could put a small one. It has little flames on it. Not a big deal. Would I like a nice fireplace? Yes. Cool. When it slides in, you don't have access to these two drawers right here. That's about it. And maybe the half of the oven. I like it. I wouldn't get it because we don't like dinettes. I'd rather have a fireplace and like a mantle right here and a fireplace and maybe something that you can just lift up and eat. Some of the RVs have that. So that's how it looks. Yeah, that awning is huge. I hope you loved the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, The Gonzo Book. And as always, we'll see you on the other side.